US Navy reveals more on plans for 6th-generation fighter jet. The US Navy has revealed more information on its plans for a 6th-generation fighter jet, commonly referred to as F-18. The service branch is leading a development program, called Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, to replace its F-18 Super Hornets. Gregory Harris, who leads the Chief of Naval Operations Air Warfare Directorate, has said the aircraft following the Super Hornets will most likely be manned, but the NGAD program will include a mix of both manned and unmanned platforms. Related, US Air Force just gave us a first look at its new fighter jet. The program is separate to the US Air Force's own NGAD program, which includes an aircraft to eventually replace the F-22. Last week a report was published which included concept art of the US Air Force's new fighter jet. As we look at it right now, NGAD is a family of systems, which has as its centerpiece the F-18. It's the fixed-wing portion of the Next General Air Dominance family of systems. The US Navy has divided work on the NGAD program into two parts. Increment 1 will determine the replacement for the Super Hornets, while Increment 2 will assess the follow-on for the EA-18G Growler. While the service has used F-18 to refer to the F-18 EF replacement, NGAD refers to the family of systems as a whole. We're going through the study portions of what Incorporated 2 will be to replace the EA-18G Growler. And we expect that that family of systems will be a combination of manned and unmanned.